One of the most useful and common marks for tracking is the 2D matrix code, but it is important to have contrast for a consistent read. Sometimes the marking area will not produce high contrast when marking. Telesis Merlin software can create a pattern that solves this problem. The software will place two contrasting marks to give defined areas around the code. These two separate marks overlap each other with different parameters to create the contrast. You would first create a 2D code that you would normally mark on the part. The second mark would be a duplicate of the first, but this one would be done in reverse. You would need to check the reverse button. Also, with this second code, we want to mark this much faster, and that'll produce a white cleanup area around the mark. For visual purposes in the software, you can also change the color of that code so it can be seen clearly in the software. Using both these marks together gives a very clean, contrasting mark. This process is not only useful for low contrast marks like the one here, but also for very highly reflective material. The cleanup path can actually dull the reflectivity for a better read. Nearly any surface can be cleaned up for a nice high contrast read. (2D reverse image marking from Telesis).